Alright, check out this little combo here. Camera just showed up today. It is the Sony ZV-1. And so I was looking for a ultra lightweight camera, arm, and head combo. And so this camera fits the bill here. So I'll have to do another review on it and talk about all the aspects that it's got going for it. But you know, it is 4K. It has a 1-inch sensor. I'm hoping I can get away with the built-in microphone rather than having to run an external mic. However, it does have a shoe for an external mic. I could plug my ECM-GZ1M in here, shotgun mic, if I find out that it doesn't that the in-camera mic doesn't do as good. It's supposed to be forward facing and do a better job. You can see I have it mated with the RM-VPR1 remote control, and it does control all the functions just like all the other Sony cameras. I'm using the SmallRig fluid head, and that is a great find for ultralight self-filming. It is a great fluid head, very smooth and very small. And of course, I've got it mated with Lone Wolf Custom Gear Pocket Arm and the Genesis 3D printed stabilizer, I guess there you'd call it. And you'll notice there is some bounce with it, but I'd be willing to give up you know, some stability for how well this is going to pack in a situation where I'm going to use my climber. I've got a Lone Wolf climber that's fairly lightweight anyway. It's about 20 pounds, but I hated carrying my big rig with it, so now I've got this. So eventually I'll do another review of this, but for now I'm really pleased with this combination here to be the ultimate in ultralight, mainly because I got a camera that comes in with all the features of the much larger 1-inch sensor 4K cameras in such a small package. So there you go.